In the exam point of view, students, we will just going to keep this setup like this. Now here you can see the immature anther part and there is one forceps, and all this material we will going to keep in the petri dish. Now this technique we called it as a emasculation. Emasculation means what? Emasculation means removing all the anther part from the flower. As I told you, this is our flower part. Now before the maturation, we will going to remove this anther part from flower. Now here you can see this is the immature anther part we have already kept in the petri dish. Now you just have to go on the spot C. आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, स्पॉट सी पे जाना है और आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये कौन सा सेटअप और कौन सा पॉलिनेशन और कौन सा पॉलिनेशन का सेटअप हमने वहां पे रखा है. सो कौन सा सेटअप है ये? सो दिस इज द सेटअप ऑफ emasculation. Emasculation, which is the technique where we will going to remove the all immature anther part from the flower with the help of forceps and scissor. Okay, here we have kept the forceps. With the help of forceps, we will going to remove the immature anther part. Now the setup will be exactly like this way, but we will not going to keep this label or this name emasculation over here. आपको क्या करना है? आपको स्पॉट सी पे जाना है and you have to identify which technique it is of the hybridization. Okay. Now students, this is spot C from the question number 4. In the first spots, from the spot C, we have already seen the emasculation technique. Now after that, after the emasculation, we will going to perform the bagging and tagging. Okay, this is the pot of that plant, which I have already told you that we are taking the liliaceae, we are taking the spider lily flower, and from this spider lily plant, this is the whole plant of the spider lily. Now you can see with the help of this, there I have already taken one flower which is bag. Now here, this is the flower. Now this is the flower I have taken and I have removed all the mature anther part. From this flower, I have removed all the mature anther part and I just covered this flower with the plastic polythene or you can also cover this flower with the cotton muslin cloth. Now I just covered this flower with the plastic polythene. Now you can see there is no anther part in this whole flower. There is only style and stigma. Only gynoecium is present. So in this part, now on this flower, I have performed the technique of hybridization, which is bagging. Which technique I have performed? Which is bagging. Now in the exam, I will going to keep the setup like this. Now here I will just keep the flower with the polythene and I will remove all the anther part from the flower. So now there will be no tag. Now here I have also labeled this flower with this tag. Now I will not going to keep this tag in the exam. Why? Because this technique is the tagging technique. This is the third technique which we perform. Okay. Now here I will only going to keep this bag format. So I'll going to remove all the anther part and I'll just going to keep this flower like this. The bag will be there, but no tagging. Okay. So in the diagram you have given both the things like tagging also and the bagging also in the one diagram. But in the exam, what we will going to do is there will be only bag will be present if there is a bagging technique, or if there is a tagging technique, then the tag only flower with the bag and with the tag. The whole three things will be present. Okay. Now here we'll moving to the next, which is tagging technique. What is tagging technique? Tag means Now here in the first technique, what we have done, we have removed all the anther part. Okay, we have removed all the immature anther part from the flower, first in the emasculation. And after that we have bagged this flower with the polythene bag. Now here you can see this flower is totally packed with the polythene bag. Now there will be no foreign pollen grains or no external pollen grains will come and stick to the stigma, and there will be the pollination occurred. Now here I have also kept the tagging technique. Now this is the tag. Now here you can see, so with the polythene we will going to keep the tag, means tagging. If there is a no tag, means only bagging technique is there. If there is a tag, मतलब polythene के साथ अगर bag present है, means उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, tagging. लेकिन सिर्फ पॉलिथीन प्रेजेंट है और ये टैग एब्सेंट है, मीन्स क्या टेक्निक यूज किया है, बैगिंग टेक्निक है सिर्फ वहां पे. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज इमैस्कुलेशन, वेदर इट इज बैगिंग और वेदर इट इज टैगिंग. सो दिस इज बैगिंग एंड दिस इज टैगिंग. इफ बोथ आर प्रेजेंट मीन्स टैगिंग. If only one bag is present, that means bagging. Okay. Now here, what is the technique of tagging? When we remove all the immature anther part from the flower. Okay. Now here we have removed all the immature part from the flower. Now only style and stigma is present. So here we tag the flower with their name, with their family, with their common name, and from which date we have removed all the immature anther part of the flower. मतलब हम लोगों ने कब इस प्लांट का immature anther part जो है वो रिमूव किया है, उसका डेट, मतलब आज हम लोगों ने रिमूव किया है तो आज का डेट डालेंगे. देन वी विल गोइंग टू रिमेम्बर व्हेन वी हैव रिमूव द anther part. तो हमने कब इसका anther part निकाला था वो हमें याद रहेगा. सो नाउ यू कैन सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस spot C, here is spot C, and there is a bagging and tagging technique. Okay students, I think you have understand this.